Myself, Mrinal Kantigiri. I am going to present my poster named as Quantum Walk of Two Interacting Bosons with Mass Imbalance. Starting with introduction of quantum walk. Quantum walks are quantum analogues of classical random walks in contrast to the classical random walk where the walker occupies definite states and the randomness arises due to stochastic transition between states. In quantum walk, randomness arises through quantum superposition of states, non-random reversible unitary evolution and collapse of the wave function due to state measurement. There are two types of quantum walk. One is a continuous time quantum walk and discrete time quantum walk. For example, in periodic lattice, wave function with grows ballistically with with a number of steps, while in classical case expansion is diffusive, which is easily observed in probability distribution. Red dotted line corresponding to classical random walk and black solid lines correspond to quantum walk. It can easily seen that quantum walk is much spreading of the quantum walk much faster than that of the classical work. We investigate the quantum walk of two interacting bosons of different mass in a one-dimensional lattice. By varying the interparticle interaction strength, we show distinct feature in the quantum walk of two particles for different initial state. For that purpose, we take the model Hamiltonian as H is equal to this feature, where AI sigma is the creation operator of the mass imbalanced boson and denoted sigma is the up arrow and down arrow. Use the interaction between two different components, and J sigma is the nearest neighbor hopping matrix element for each component. For convenience, we define delta is equal to J down arrow by J up arrow, and mass imbalance in this system is incorporated by setting delta not equal to 1. In our calculation, we consider up arrow as the lighter particle and set J up arrow is equal to 1 as in energy scale. Here we perform the continuous time quantum walk, which involves the dynamical evolution of the state under the influence of the Hamiltonian, and our result is shown in exact diagonalization method. Here our observables are expectation value of the density operator, two particle correlation function, the time evoluted state, and Diablon density. As we trying to find out the different feature of the quantum walk by varying the interparticle interaction state, and starting with the two particle placed with different initial state. Here we start with three different initial state. One is the two particle placed at the central site, and second one is the two particle placed at two different site, and third one is the two particle placed at the opposite ends of the lattice. Two particles at the central site. When walkers are initially on the same side, both the heavy and light particle perform independent particle quantum walks for small interaction. However, strong interaction lead to the quantum walk of the repulsively bound pair of atoms. It can be seen that for vanishingly small interaction, two particles exhibit an independent particle quantum walks. Due to the mass difference between the particles, the density profile of the heavier particle spreads at slower rate compared to the lighter one. And for u is equal to 0, two particle correlation plot shows 4 peaks in the 4 asymmetric position. This is different from the equal mass case, where we get the 4 peaks at 4 symmetric position. By increasing u, only diagonal part of the matrix element are dominated. For large u, only dominating diagonal part appear, which is indicating the formation of dimers. We can also easily observe in real space density plot. The signature of Diablon formation appear at slightly stronger interaction strength for large value of delta. This can be easily seen by calculating the Diablon density, which is the diagonal part of the correlation matrix and at a particular time. Second, our two particle placed at two different side, right? And similarly, when vanishingly small interaction, both components perform independent particle quantum walk, and lighter particle spreads faster compared to the heavier one. For finite u, both the density profiles intersect each other or after a certain time, leading to an interesting feature in the continuous time quantum walk. In this case, heavier particle act like a barrier. As a result, density spreading of the lighter particle shows reflected as well as transmitted component in the propagation. As the interaction becomes stronger and stronger, transmission ceases to occur and the lighter particle wave function get completely reflected by for large u. Interestingly, there is no noticeable effect is seen in the heavy particle quantum walk in the strong interaction regime, which is also observed in correlation plot 2, where is the upper triangle with the diagonal elements and start to decrease with increasing u and completion vanishes for large u due to the fact that two particles avoid each other due to interaction. When two particles placed at the opposite ends and then it can be seen that when u is equal to 0, two particles move independently and their wave function transmit through each other or without influencing the individual quantum walk. On the other hand, the onset of the interaction u leads to the reflection of both the component by each other by reducing the transmission, which is different from the previous two cases. Correlation plot is different compared to the previous case because for vanishingly small u, the wave function transmit through each other and travel to the opposite direction. We see only one peak in the correlation matrix. However, strong interaction peak in the correlation matrix flipped to a defined position because of the strong repulsion, which is also visible from the real space density plot. And note that there is no doublet formation in this case. Thank you for visiting my poster.